วัสดีค่ะ Good afternoon. Welcome to Bangkok Room Channel. And today we're going to do a Thai barbecue style. It called Tom Yang Hot Pot Barbecue. So come and join us. We are on the setting beautiful beach today in the middle of February. It's cold, but it's bright sunshine. So come and join me now. We got all ingredients which I'm going to get it out and show you. วันนี้เราจะมาทำหมูกระทะค่ะ อยู่ริมทะเล อยู่ไม่ไกลจากบ้านกับบรรยากาศหนาวกับบาร์บีคิวหมูกระทะอร่อย So let's come barbecue. Let's go. Okay, this is what we set it up now is my barbecue, and also you can take this for your picnic, camping, anywhere you go, and you feeling like you want barbecue, hot pot. Here we are. Just get this out. What we do, we set up, turn the gas on. You can use like little gas bottle and put the water in. So, and now just let it boil. Okay, here what I got. This is the sauce for the barbecue for dipping. So I made it myself, homemade. I got some butter to oil up the top here so to stop it sticky. And I got pork bowl. And what's next? What I got, and this one is steak. Yeah, I use rub steak, so it'll be good. And what's next? I've got some prawn. I'll show you. I've got big size of prawn. And what I got in here is it's pork. They're all marinated, nice and smell nice and soft. And this one is my mushroom, which is gonna go in the hot pot soup as well. And more to come. In your cooking, whatever you do, mustn't forget your vegetable. And I got some egg as well to go in it. So that have to cover it up because the sand. And last but not least, I've got grass noodle. This grass noodle, it's always go well with the hot pot noodle soup. So we're going to wait until it boils, but here it comes. And I've got the soup here, so I'm going to put in here to make the broth. And then I'm going to slowly put the vegetable in, the noodle in, and then we start to do the barbecue. Okay? That's it. We slowly put things in. Let's oil the broth for us. And it's slowly boiling, and I've got some pork fat to oil the top stove here. So, and then I can put that. Just leave it there so let it drip. Okay, I've got all the vegetable in now, and I've got the egg that got to go in. So I put the egg in there, and then we'll mix it all in. It's okay, I've got 2 eggs, that enough for this pot. It's quite big. And then I can got pork going in. The hopefully it's slowly cooking, and I'm going to put a bit of everything. Good. It's boiling. It's boiling. Everything's cooking. Boy. And then I'm going to put pork in, and now I'm going to put steak in. Oh, I can smell it. Oh, this is good. It smells gorgeous. Wow. Smell of the sesame oil as well. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I'm getting so excited about it. Right, I've got pork bowl. That's I'm going to get it to boil. Get it to boil as well. There, so it can boil away. Get them all in so they can boil. Wow. Yep. All the pork bowls in. What else? My prawns go in now. Prawn going in. It's a bit packed. I'll put that later. For now, this is what we got. Oh, I'm getting excited. Oh, it smells gorgeous. It smells gorgeous. Look at that. Oh. That's it. หมูกระทะค่ะหมูกระทะ Oh yeah. Prawn is done, I think. Oh, prawn is cooked. Oh, prawn is cooked. Oh, now I'm gonna get my first bite. My first bite, prawn. Look at that. Dip it in. Oh. Mmm. Wow. Wow. It is good. Prawn cooked just about right. And the dipping is so gorgeous. And with this beautiful seaside. Brilliant, guys. You have to try this. Barbecue hot pot. It's cheap to buy. You can get it from supermarket, Amazon. And take it everywhere with you. Barbecue on the beach, picnic, camping, everywhere you go. Just enjoy it. I'm going to go for more. I'm going to go for steak now. For steak. Wow. Wow. The steak, so tender. Beautiful cook. Cheers, guys. I can't stop. I've got to keep going. Keep eating. Cheers. Okay. I'm going to get the soup in the bowl. Wow. Get the soup in. Wow. Get the soup in. And then get the dipping in. Wow. Oh, oh God, look at that. That'll be good. Oh, oh, here we go. Here we go. This is soup. Oh, it's so good. The broth really good. All the juice from the meat that we cooked dripping down here. Give the flavor to the broth. Oh, this is good. It's yummy. And the steak cooked just perfect for someone who like medium rare or well done. It's so perfect for the picnic for this little kid, cooking kid, you know. Wow. Oh, you got to try this. Mm. Mm. Wow. Wow. Yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Mm. Cheers. Hi guys. Sorry, I'm still eating, and we still got lots to finish it off. Barbecue still going. My hot pot. But if you like, you know, you can get this from Amazon or supermarket. You can buy this August and enjoy it with your friend. You can have it on your balcony, your garden, out picnic, anywhere you like. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, and hit notification button. Please, that means the world to me. Thank you for watching. Cheers, guys. Thank you. Mm. 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 Mm.